If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A56 5G has now bar, then the answer is yes. We can find the now bar, for example, in the lock screen. As you can see over here, we can switch between different apps that are running in the background. And the now bar is also in always on display, which can be enabled and disabled. And unfortunately, the position, at least right now, of the now bar is slightly off for some reason. But like I said, we can enable and disable the now bar in always on display. So if you're looking for some settings or for more information about the now bar, then over here in lock screen and AOD settings, we have now bar, we have the list of compatible apps, as well as the media player and current mode. And also if you go to AOD, we have the show now bar option, which can be disabled if you find it rather unpleasing on the AOD. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!